Hello students, I'm Raja Chauhan from Lux International School Maheshwar. Today I'm gonna teach you chapter number 3 rational numbers of class 7th mathematics. So in this chapter we will learn about rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay, so suppose 1 by 2 is also a rational number. Okay, 2 by 3, this is also a rational number because we expressed this in p by q form and both are the integers, but q is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is its rule. Now the positive and negative rational numbers, suppose example minus 4 by 7, so this is negative rational number. 2 by 3, this is positive number. Now on the basis of this concept we will solve exercise 3.1. Question number 1, write the following as rational number. 18. How we can write 18 as rational number? 18 divided by 1. Okay, now minus 17 same, minus 17 by 1, minus 438 by 1, 0.05. okay, 0.05. now you can see when you will remove the decimal you will get 20. So 5 by 100 is our answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Question number 2, identify the positive rational numbers from the following. 7 by minus 8, 6 by 12. Now here you can see 7 by minus, this is negative rational number. Now we have to find the positive rational number. So positive will be 6 by 12 and also minus 3 by 7. How? Minus sign cancel. So answer is 3 by 7. That's why 3 by 7 also. Then 5th is not, 6th is not, the minus sign is there. Okay, 6th one is positive rational number because minus 1 by minus 10. Minus sign cancel, 1 by 10. Okay, so minus 10, this is positive rational number, and 3 by 5 is also a positive rational number. So 4 numbers are there which are positive rational number. Now in the same manner you have to find out in the question 3rd negative rational number. What are they? You can see 7 by minus 11, minus 100 by 5, then minus 12, 17 by minus 6 also, 1 by minus 6 also. Question number 4, write any positive rational. So you can write any positive rational number, suppose 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 1 by 12. Okay, so like this you can write any rational number which are positive. Now in the same manner you have to write the negative rational number. Question number 6, write rational number standard form. Okay, so how we can write is in standard form. You can see 16 by 20 which are in minus sign. Okay, so first we will cut the minus sign. Now you can see 16 by 20. Now we can cut 16 by 20 by the table of 4. So when we will cut, it will be 4 times and this will be at 5 times. So our answer will be 4 by 5. Now in the same manner 5 by 25. When we will cut these by table of 5, we get 1 by 5 answers. So now in this manner you have to solve this question. Rational number on the number line. Now how we can express number on a number, we will see. On the basis of this we will solve exercise number 3.2. The point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K lie on the number line as shown below. If AB equal to BC, DE equal to EF, GH equal to HI equal to IJ equal to JK. Which rational numbers do the points B, E, H and J represent? Okay, so first we have to find these number, that is B, E, H and J. Okay, so B is lie between A and B lie between A and B. Okay, so what is the value of A? That is -3. What is the value of C? That is -2. And these, between these two numbers, our B is we have to divide by 2. So -3 minus 2, that is -5 by 2. So this is our answer. Now same here, we have to find E value, that is -1 plus 0 upon 2. So we will get -1 by 2, because E is lie between D and F. Okay, so we are in this manner you have to solve this question. Question number 2, draw a number line and mark the rational number, that is -2 by 3 and -5 by 3. So you can see here we made one number line, and you can see we have to just mention -2 by 3 and -5 by 3 on a number line. Now question number 3, write two equivalent rational numbers for each of the following. First, 6 by -7. Now we have to find two equivalent. How we can find equivalent? First question is 6 by -7. So we have to multiply it by 2 by 2. Okay, what we will get? 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. Okay, and minus sign is here. So this is our first answer, this one. Okay, now in the same manner one more time we have to solve, because here we have to find two equivalent. This is our first. Now second one, 6 by -7 into multiply by 3 by 3. You will get 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21. So 18 by -21 is our next equivalent rational number. So you have to multiply given number by 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, so you can find your equivalent rational number. So you like this, you can also multiply by 4 by 4, 7 by 7, 8 by 8. Okay, whatever you can use the number, but you have to use the same number. Now question number 4, identify the greater rational number in each of the following pairs. Okay, here you can see in first, this is negative number, so this is smaller, this is also negative, this is also smaller. Now here you have to find out. So how you can find out? You can also divide these number, and then you can compare the values and you can find out. Okay, so like this you have to solve this question. Now question number 5, arrange the following in ascending order. Now you have to arrange this number in ascending or descending order. You can divide this number and you can see whatever the result is, and then you can arrange them in ascending or descending order. Or you can also check the minus sign in the given rational number. Here you have to arrange in descending order. Question number 7, find 5 rational numbers between -2 by 3 and 0. Okay, so -2 by 3, you can again you can divide. Suppose when you will divide -2 by 3, you will get suppose any value in a decimal point or whatever it is. So between 0 and that number you have to write the numbers which can be expressed in the form of rational number. Question number 8, same here you have to solve this question in the same manner. Okay, now our remaining exercise we will see in our next video. So you just solve this question in your copy and practice this question at home. Thank you and have a nice day.